everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video it's basically like a part one. I have purchased a lot of patterns recently after not purchasing any for quite some time, so I'm going to go through like half of them in this video, and then I think I'm going to have to do a part two. So the first one is the one that everybody seems to have gotten lately. It's the jacket or shacket from Simplicity. It's $93.88. I'm actually interested in making view B, which is the shorter one, the same one that the male model here is wearing. I like that one. You can use all different types of wovens, from a lighter weight to a heavier weight, so it should be pretty versatile. The next one is Simplicity 9267. It's this skirt pattern, and it's a skirt in 3 different lengths with a button front, and I just like the style. It's got side seam pockets, I believe. Just a nice style, sort of an A-line, a bit of a flared A-line style, and with the buttons down the front, it just adds a little bit of style to it. Next is this vintage 1960s pattern. It's Simplicity 9104. It's a vintage dress with sleeve and neckline options, is what it says. It is for woven fabrics, this one. But yeah, I like this because my birthday is actually coming up in December, and I was born in the 1960s era. So I was actually wanting to make myself a dress from like the year I was born or something. So this would fit in that category. The next one, it's Simplicity 8946. It is a baby doll dress, as it's called, that style. And I just like this style. Now this one, I might lengthen it a little bit. It comes with long sleeve, short sleeve, with the collar, without the collar. Oh, and there is a sleeveless option as well. I might make it a little bit longer. It does come, it seems, with a longer length as well. I'll try to post some pictures so you can get a good look at it. But this one is also for woven fabrics. Next, this one, I just purchased this recently, but I think this was a spring summer pattern. It's Simplicity 9335. It's a skirt or skort pattern. I really like the skort option. It does call for lightweight denim, linen, sateen, things like that. Lightweight twill. And this is the Berta style pattern. This next one, it's 6820. It's these tops. It's a basic top or t-shirt pattern. I like the view B and C, just the short sleeve and the long sleeve. Pretty simple, basic pattern. I always love to have a basic t-shirt type pattern. I really get a lot of use out of them, so I thought this one would be a good one. The next one is something I haven't made before. It's Simplicity 9368, and it is a hat pattern, hat and infinity scarves. I actually have made infinity scarves before. Making a hat or something like that can also be a good project to sort of bust through your stash if you've got a lot of fabric scraps and you have something that's appropriate for this. And the last one is Simplicity 9300. This is also something that I haven't made. These are turbans and head wraps. I just like the look of these sometimes, and so I thought this might be a good thing to try. Like I said, I have not made anything like this. This does have small through large is the size range on this. Gives you some options. This is also something I was thinking for a good stash but busting project as well. That is it for this video. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel, and it will help to push it out to other people who also might be interested in some of my content. Also, consider subscribing to the channel as well. I do like to do not just pattern hauls and what I've made recently, but also tips and things that I do that I use to help my sewing, and I try to share that information with you all as well. So please give it a subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are aware when I do a new video, when I post a new video. That is it for this one. This is an apron, by the way. This is an apron that I made a little while ago. It has 2 pockets. It's one of my favorite ones. I like how this looks. It's actually in my Etsy store. So I will try to remember to post a link below and you can take a look at it there. I've got some pictures, but it's just pretty. It's one of my favorite ones, but that's it for this one. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.